Oh, the door's legit. All right, Robin. We're back on the quest to find the best gold medal burger in all of Niagara. Even though I'm looking at the Dunnville sign right at the corner of Main and Queen. Take a look. Dunnville sign right there. We're here at Debb's Cuisine. I've been hearing about Debb's Cuisine ever since Must See Mondays started. I've never been here before. Really nice place. I was impressed. Walked in, they got the nice brick walls, nice atmosphere, music playing, and they serve gold medal burgers. Gold medal burger here, not a cheap burger, $13.56. A little more than average, but we'll see. Hi there. Paper bag, fancy box. Is it a fancy box and a fancy burger? I don't know. We got fancy. Look at this, garbage right here. Easy game. Fancy gold medal burger box here at Debb's Cuisine in Dunnville. Realtor proof, child proof. Ooh, look at the bun. We've got ourselves what looks to be a fancy burger. That looks like it's sesame seeds and maybe, I don't know, poppy seeds. Take a look, toasted bun. Pickle, might be bread and butter. Red onion. They tell me it's a homemade patty. And one little leaf of lettuce on the bottom, might be romaine. It's got good weight. I don't know what kind of bun this exactly is, but it's been toasted. One bite, everybody knows the rules. Here at Debb's Cuisine, first time in Dunnville. Debb's Cuisine on Queen. One bite. Who knew that if we would just step outside of Niagara, we would find some good burgers. That's a good burger. That is a good burger. You live in Wainfleet, Port Colborne. Sometimes people make fun of Dunnville. You people are crazy. Dunnville makes good burgers.
Who makes fun of Dunnville?
What's that?
I said, who makes fun of Dunnville?
I don't know. I've heard people make fun of Dunnville before, and I don't know what's wrong with them because this burger is cooked just the way I like it. This is not a backyard burger. We've got ourselves a fancy burger. We've got ourselves a one bite. And this is a delicious burger. Niagara, take note. You want to know how to make a burger? You come to Dunnville and you get a burger. My mind's racing right now. Okay. Very, very good burger. Seasoned just a little bit light. It's missing just a little bit more salt. But this is a very good burger. Our first classification of a fancy burger here in Dunnville, Queens, at the corner of Queen and Main, Debb's Cuisine, 8.5. Dunnville makes good burgers, and that's a review.